Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today will be my weekly video about merch by Amazon design ideas. Here I will discuss 5 different ideas of designs. Most of them will be evergreen designs or that kind of designs which you can sell any time in the year, but also will be some trending designs that you should create, of course, if you want now, and upload them now to get your sales. And as always, these designs were found on Amazon platform, but you should upload them to any print-on-demand platform, to any print-on-demand site which you use, such as Redbubble, TeePublic, or maybe if you sell on Etsy or on your own store. The more sales channels you will use, the higher your profit will be. So now it is a good idea to use different pod resources for your sales and to build a good pod business. Okay, let's go to the first idea for today, and the search phrase is what's your sign ski shirt. It is a seasonal design, winter design, because it is connected with ski or snowboards, and here you can find very similar designs, not very high competition right now, only 200 plus different results are available for this search now, but you can add a lot to this design idea, because you need to illustrate these different signs, and it is about difficulty of a mountain which you will use when you on ski or on snowboards, if it for beginners or for an experienced skiers or snowboarders, and it is a kind of phrases of keywords that I like very much, because they are very niche, and you will understand the meaning of this phrase if you only like skiing or snowboarding, and that's why this kind of merch usually sell really good. You can add some different signs here, but you can make your own stylization or change text or positioning of your design, and it will definitely be a good idea to make some changes to these results. For example, even here we can find a different positioning of elements, and this design also looks different from top search results. Maybe you will also change the font or color of the text, and it can also be good for this design idea. Of course, only winter sales, but I'm sure that sales will be not only in this winter, but next winter periods too. So it is a good design idea to create, and I will definitely make some variations for this search. Okay, let's go to the next design idea. It is a design for Saint Valentine's Day. It is a holiday design, and as we can find here, only 300 results right now, and it is a low competition for holiday niche, because often you can find more designs for some holidays than for evergreen niches, but this keyword isn't so competitive right now, and it is a child design. It is a merch for kids. Keyword is I choose you, and here is an illustration of a train, very kids-oriented design, so you should definitely make an illustration that will suit for kids, and it will be a good idea also to add some St. Valentine's Day elements like hearts or something like that. We can find a lot of different red variations, but some t-shirts with different colors like here, they look even better, because as for me it is enough to make an element of heart or something like that. The phrase is quite cute, and you don't need to make only red colors or make it too sweet, like you often can find with St. Valentine's designs. I think that a basic illustration will look even better for this search. Okay, let's go to the next keyword for today, and it is I don't get older, I level up short. This search is quite old, and it is a gamer design for birthday of a gamer, and of course you should illustrate here some gaming elements. It can be some controllers like here, or maybe some level up scale, and to make some simple text you can also use some abstract characters that are connected with games, or some different variations. You can definitely brainstorm what will look better for this phrase. As we can see, even some vintage elements can be made, and it's not a bad idea, because a lot of gamers are already looking for retro stylization, for vintage patterns, and I think that it will be a good idea to make it in that way. In general, gamer niche is very wide, and you can make a lot of different designs for gamers, but most of them can use the same elements, graphic elements like these controller pads, and if you will make some controller illustrations, you can use them for different text, for different searches. So if you will make 2 or 3 variations for this search phrase, I don't get older, I level up, you can also duplicate it for different gamer searches, and it can bring you additional earnings with a small amount of additional work. Good, let's go next, and the next search phrase is don't worry, I have my shots short. It's about vaccination, it's a funny pun about vaccine, and here we can see that this shots is tequila shots, not vaccine shots. So it's kind of a joke that a man or a woman who wears this shirt is going to drink tequila or is already drunk. Now we can find some variations of the text that is used for this design. We can also find an addition and one extra just to be safe, or we can also find some text about booster shot, but the main idea is the same. You need to illustrate tequila shots, maybe in some patriotic stylization like here with this US flag, or maybe with vintage stylization. A lot of different variants that you can use. I think this design idea is quite safe. I don't like to make a lot of designs on hot topics such as vaccination process or political designs, but for this idea, I think all should be okay, and it shouldn't be rejected by platform. And as we can see from search results, here are more than 200 different results. So for now, Amazon is okay with this niche, and if you want, you can make your illustration for this phrase and to upload your design to Amazon or other print-on-demand platforms. And the last design idea for today is for a search phrase upper class trailer trash. It is quite competitive, almost 400 different designs, and it is about camping, all outdoor life, so it will have better sales in summer or in the end of spring. But if you want your design to be indexed good, you should make it now, and it will be even better if in the beginning of summer it will already be indexed in search systems, and it will have better possibilities to be higher in search results. But even now I am sure that there are some sales for this search phrase and for this niche too. You need to illustrate here some camping elements, of course, a trailer, because you have a trailer word in this phrase, and it will be good if you will illustrate it. And also we can find some animal illustrations like this bear illustration here, or this raccoon illustration, which will be good for this search phrase too. A lot of vintage style design and minimalistic style design, so you should definitely think about your stylization, in which styles you want to make your design. As for me, I will use different stylization for this design idea. I think that it will be good to make 3 to 5 different variations, and I think that I can use them for different phrases that are connected with camping, with trailer life, and outdoor life too. So the elements will be useful for future designs too. So it was 5 main ideas for today that I found on Amazon platform. Subscribe to this channel. Here I upload videos about print-on-demand business, not only about design ideas, but also about different topics. I wish you good sales, and see you soon. Bye.